Welcome back. In the previous video we learned what is MATLAB and what purpose we can use it. Before learning about its user interface, let's know some basics. The basic building block of MATLAB is matrix. The fundamental data type is the array. MATLAB loves matrix and matrix operations. It is primarily a numerical computation package and all built-in functions are optimized for vector operations. It can work mostly on every computational platform. Let's know about how to get the software. MathWorks provide 30-day free trial version of the software that you can download and install in your PC. After free trial we need to purchase activation key or license number. Without buying the software we can use it for free at MATLAB Online Basic version, with limited computation time. A basic version of MATLAB Online provides 20 hours per month of free use and access to 10 commonly used toolboxes. So, if you want to learn online, go to link given in description and provide the necessary details like email and name to create new account. A verification mail will be sent for verification. After the process you will have access to MATLAB Online.